Hello everyone, I'm Raw Potato, and here we are back with Project Zomboid, episode 60. We also have a helicopter event going on right now, and it's also 41.78.7. Woo! Moved up a tenth of a decimal. You know, it's cool though. There's some if you play the game yourself, you probably notice there's like some new terms and agreement thing. I looked over it. It's nothing, really. It just says, we own the game. Be 13. If you're 13 to 18, be advised. I don't know, ask an adult. Whatever. But yeah, helicopter event going on right now. It's not that good. We had taken off our clothes here because I wanted to show you this shirt that we found. It has some guy's face on it. Let's clip that on our bag. Do we have anything in it? No? Okay, good. I think the shell's bandolier only includes to the shotgun. There's actually like a bullets bandolier that we can find. Let's put that stuff away. How much ammo did we use? All that ammo, huh? Oh wow! How about that? We went we had like 25 bullets in each of these, and we got 2 left. That's cool. Didn't even open that one though. There's probably zombies inside here. I'm just gonna go to sleep while we can. Oof. It's 12 a.m. Okay. Tempting to just kind of take some sleeping pills. Oh, cool. This is our... Oh, that looks brighter. Oh, I see. They changed that up. That's new, I think. They have the durability. Like, it's much brighter color. It's like way more vibrant. I wonder if... No, it's still green. Yeah. Interesting. I'll probably have a link to the blog, their little Thursdoid blog, down in the description too. Make sure to check that out. They'll probably have whatever updates. We gotta take some sleeping pills. And do we have alcohol wipes on us? No. Grab some bandages too. May as well start grabbing. Ooh, look at that highlight on there. That's different. Alright, let's go to sleep again in a minute. Try and get some more shut-eye. I won't be running around in the dark. 5 a.m., that's fine for me. Gotta change up our bandage. There's definitely zombies inside here. Oh my god, that heart is frantic. Not the dirty bandage, not the dirty bandage. Jesus. That heart, it used to just kind of be like that, depending on the mood, but that was... You're wounded, you're wounded. That heart was panicking more than I was. Alright. We are set to step outside here. Oh my god. What? Oh, sweet Neptune. That can't be like near my house. Luckily we got some beta blockers. Oh god, a fog is settling in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gain some distance here. How many? Oh my lord. So many zombies. And there was like 10 of them at least in our house. Wow. Just the masses. Look at all that. Boom. Oh. Don't get fancy. I think we need a reload. We got one left. Right for you. What's our shooting skill at? It's at almost 3. That's cool. How much ammo do we have? Oh, that's our last round. Okay. Yeah, let's get out of here. Like, absolutely. I just want to get as far away from here as I can. It's honestly probably good that we have the fog. Because the only ones catching on were the ones that heard us running right there. Not going down that road. It's gonna be a long hike here. Ooh, maybe we get some ammo. Ah, crap. What do you got? I wanted the shotgun. Got the M14 magazine though, it's fully loaded, that's good. Okay, how many are there? Okay, watch this. Watch this pro gamer move here. And now I can loot the police car. Okay, we'll just check it. Okay, it's locked. Okay, that's fine. All I need to know. But, ooh, look what we got. And a full mag for it. Ooh. So I figure we're gonna want to. Oh, jeez. I don't know how safe home's gonna be. We'll keep a wide berth around it. Just keep our distance. Who's here? Get away. Oh, there's our car. I'm always like, oh, there's our car when we pass it, because I'm like never really too sure. Where is it exactly? Oh, we weren't too far off on the mark on it. Cool. Did I leave anything in here? First, give me that. And that. And that. I bet you there's stuff in the... I bet you there's stuff in the passenger seat. Excuse me. We need food. Why is the music kicking up? Oh, that's a lot. Alright, let's just keep going, just keep going. Sprinting's almost level 2, that's cool. Okay, there's the park, or like the school ground. How bad is it? Doesn't look that bad. Here, we'll walk around along this side, like this. Maximize our stealthy capabilities. Fog's getting like thick too. Have I checked this trunk? It's not good. Oh, no, 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 no. You want it? Oh, I bet you there's one behind me. Okay, no? Okay. Oh my god, it's crawling after me. Okay. I think we need a cigarette. We gotta clear him. Dunk. 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 I love the sound it makes. Die, 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 die. Come on. Oof, it looked like they hit him in the hip. Anyone got anything good on him? No. Lame. The Moodles definitely shake more rapidly now. They got a special energy to them. Alright, let's take him down. Come on. Come on. Bonk. Try and save our bat a bit. You need to go down, 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 all of you. Go down, all of them. No more zombies. I said no more. Alright. God, we're bound to, oh yeah, we're gonna get a level in Long Plant soon. This is my home. At least, well, now it is. Not gonna let a helicopter flying by ruin this. I don't want to turn my back. We're getting tired though. Make sure the house is clear. Okay. All right. Cool. Let's have a little bite to eat here. Oh, the bread's rotten. Let's eat the peanut butter because we still need to be on that weight gain. Oh, I hear him. Come on. No, we shouldn't. We shouldn't. This place isn't secure now. At least it's not as much as it was. What do we have for tools? Do we not have an axe? I would like to cut down trees here. We don't have an axe. It's kind of foggy. Kind of need to rest. Yeah. Okay, let's rest up, gain back some energy. We'll do it in here. It's only 10 a.m. I just don't want to be tired going out there. Let's check around the backyard. And we'll see if we need to lead a bunch. Oh my god. Hey. Yeah, we gotta lead a bunch away here. Looks like we'll get that sprinting up. Alright, let's see. We got a bunch of... Can handle all the stragglers. Over here! Hey! Hey, over here! Hey, you! Hey! Over here! Uh-oh. Mariner, can you shoot the propane tank? Can I? I really want to know if I can. That'd be sick. Just gotta make a long loop. They're coming down that way. Oh, am I interrupting the garden party here? I think when I first saw a scarecrow, it startled me. I thought it was like a real dude. I was like, oh my. Hello? We're athletic up in here. Ooh. Yeet. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, let's hug the tree line. Yeah, hug the tree line. Tactical maneuvering. Let's not go too fast. We got away from the bulk of them. Or like we... He saw us. Those two saw us. Oh. Oh dear. That's not good. That is not good one bit. I don't want to keep running either. Ooh. Just gotta get out of here, I guess. Equip that secondary. Get a little bit of organization going while we're on the move here. Might be a bit longer of an episode if I can't find a safe spot. Oh, let's equip that. Let's reload it. That thing loaded up? No, hold on. You guys want me so bad. Yep. Almost. We got some more rounds. Whoa, whoa! That's not how we're going out, though. Alright, now we're empty. Now we run away. Now we run this way. So many that heard that. Let's put that back in the bag. Okay. Look up ahead. Should we break the line of sight? Let's peek the corner here. We good? Let me in. Okay, of course. Okay, there's a couple over there. We're gonna continue sneaking. We have good sneak skill. We gotta take advantage of that. Oh, God. Come on, let me in. Let me in. Ah, nice. Okay. We are hopefully safe. Please don't be so many. Okay. Bathroom. Drink from the tub. Fill all our bottles. It looks like we're gonna have to chill out in here till we could regroup next episode, figure out what we want to do, where we want to go. A lot of shots been fired around here, hopefully just directing more and more this way, just away from our base. So I will catch you all in the next episode. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like down below, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you all next time. Bye bye.